Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the Forex world, Forex trading signals. Are they worth it? Let's find out. So, what exactly are Forex trading signals? In simple terms, they're trade recommendations provided by signal providers. These signals typically include key information like entry points, stop-loss levels, and take-profit targets. They're designed to help traders make informed decisions without spending hours analyzing the market themselves. These signals can be delivered in various ways, through SMS, email, or even directly through apps. But the real question is, do they actually work? And more importantly, are they worth your time and money? Let's start with the pros. First up, time saving. If you're someone who doesn't have the luxury of sitting in front of a screen all day, signals can save you a ton of time. They offer ready-made trade ideas, allowing you to act quickly. Next, educational value. For beginners, signals can be a great learning tool. By following professional signals, you can start to see patterns and strategies that experienced traders use. Lastly, they can boost your confidence. Trading can be nerve-wracking, especially for newcomers. Having signals from an expert can provide that extra layer of assurance, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are the cons. First, dependence. Relying too heavily on signals can stunt your growth as a trader. You might become dependent on them and never fully develop your own trading skills. Then, there's the cost. Many signal services aren't cheap. While some offer free trials, premium services can be expensive and eat into your profits. Finally, accuracy isn't guaranteed. No signal provider can predict the market with 100% accuracy. You're still taking on risk, and you need to be prepared for losses. If you're still interested in using Forex trading signals, here's how you can choose a reliable provider. Step 1. Do your research. Check reviews, forums, and even social media for feedback on signal providers. Make sure they have a good track record. Step 2. Start with a free trial if available. This gives you a risk-free way to see if the service fits your trading style. Step 3. Monitor their performance. Don't just take signals blindly. Track the accuracy and profitability of the signals over time. So, are Forex trading signals worth it? It depends. If you're a beginner looking for guidance or someone who can't dedicate full-time hours to trading, they could be beneficial. However, remember that they're not a guaranteed way to make money, and there's still a lot of value in developing your own trading strategies. That's it for today's video. What do you think about Forex trading signals? Have you tried them before? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.